Hi guys, it's me, and today we shall be playing Animal Jam Play Bottle. Now, some of you guys are listening, some of you guys haven't, but making this a new series. By the way, I've already played this, so I might already have a few things. Sorry when I first downloaded this, sorry if I didn't make any, but this is a new series now, so yeah. So, yep, we guys enjoy. Now, enjoy the video. Yep, and this is my character. I'm going to gain that diamond amulet. Wondering Animal Jam is actually free. Animal Jam Play Bottle is actually free on the App Store. So yeah, so you guys can go in the App Store, type in Animal Jam. You shall find this game. It's actually free. So yeah. I already have 2 animals in this, and I'm turning up and down. However, there's a glitch. I can't get muddy. Okay, so this person can get muddy, but not me. Why? Just why? Why can I not get muddy? Everyone can. Why can't I? Just why? Why can't I? However, guys, in the comment section, well, if there is one, you guys can actually request me to do things in Animal Jam if you want, but it's just that I can't type in anything. So yeah, so I can only do these. Those are the only things I can do. So if I can't tell anyone that I'm recording, hopefully if you know my YouTube channel, they'll know that I record once in a while. I'm used to trading. Oh, okay. Nope. I'm sorry. Just no. Sapphire King's on trade. Oh, I want to see. Can I see? I would like to see. Oh, Pixel. I want Pixel. That's me. Let's have pizza. I want pizza. Please? I want a pixel foxhead. Please. Please, I want pixel. Oh, yeah. Please. Let me have pizza. Let me have pizza. I want pizza. Pizza. Oh, this person has a cute pet. It's cute. You see, I can't afford it because I don't have enough. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's okay. I understand. Oh my god. This person looks similar to me. It looks similar. Ah. Hello. Hello. Oh, by the way, you guys are wondering which animal I am. So let me show you. Ta-da! I am a bunny. I'm a bunny. Is that cute? I'm a bunny rabbit. Oh, my dad. Where's your dad? Yeah. Me. Nope. No. Whoa. Okay, I need to get that necklace off trade. I really do. I really need to get that necklace off trade. I can't do it. Oh, I'm getting off trade. Yeah. I'm gonna trim my necklace. Pretty. Fine. Oi! That will never be there. Oh. It's okay. What? To make your world no longer sad, ask your friend who trust you. She's my friend now. Yep. I was just trying to make someone happy. It's okay, I'll give you something back. I like your diamond shower. It looks rare. Like the deserves to be rare. Ooh, I want it. I want that. Please. Please. Let me have it. I would like it. Please. Please. I would like one. Oh well. Is this a music club? No. That's because it actually hurts. No. So does that mean they can check on one floor? Oh. Oh. Oh, hey. Hey, buddy. Hello, friend. Hello. Hello. Alright, guys, I shall end this episode here. Sorry if it was a bit short. But see you guys next time.